What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in for another video. My name is Yadrissa Green, and as you can see by the title, today I'm going to be showing you my highlight and contour makeup routine. This is the makeup routine that I will be creating in this video. So if you want to see what the products that I use to create this look, just keep on watching, and I hope you like this video. I'm going to be using a Milan Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and I am in the color 13 chestnut. I got the product on. I'm going to be, like I said, in this beauty blender, I did wet my beauty blender, so my beauty blender is wet, and now I'm just going to be smoothing out my foundation. I do like this foundation because it is full coverage, not full cover. Full cover. I'll be using today for my highlight is I'm going to go with the LA Girl Pro concealer again, but I'm going to be using the color medium beige, which is this, and this is about 2 to 3 lighter skin tone than I am. So this is going to be used for my highlighter, so I'm just going to squeeze that, and I'm just going to go right in under my eyes. Kind of do the same shape when I apply this, so I usually apply it this way with the concealer that I use to highlight, and also go down the bridge of my nose with this lighter color, and you can bring it down. And like I said, I do have a mirror right behind my camera where I record, so that's why I keep on looking over there. But I just wanted to show you how I apply my highlight, and I'm going to be adding some to my chin as well. I'm going to be using the Black Radiant. I use this to apply my contour, so I'm going to be adding some here under my cheekbone on both sides, and sometimes I like to bring it down to my jawline as well, but not too much, and right across my hairline I'm going to be adding it there too. You can forget about the bridge of the nose, so I'm going to start kind of like underneath the brow in the inner corner, and I'm going to start there and alongside the highlight. As you can see, I'm just going to bring that down. Repeat on the other side, and just at the tip of the nose. So this is how I look when I apply my highlight and my contour on my face. So what I did was I let that concealer sit for a couple of minutes, and you don't want to wait to let it sit too long because you want to be able to move the product. Sometimes when you wait a little bit too long to blend your concealer, well this concealer, it stays in one spot and it's hard to blend out. So I'm just blending the highlight first, like I said. Push this back some, and we're going to be blending that out. See how it's like, it's not hard to move, but it's just, blending out the highlighter, the one that's in the middle. And I'm going to be going in with my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm going to be blending that contour in, and I'm kind of going in like circular motions. I'm not going straight up and down. I'm doing like light circles. So after I blend that, I don't want to blend it out too much. I'm going to come down to the chin and I'm not sure if you can really see it. Like, really makes that jawline pop, and it stands out just a little bit more. And remember, we have some of that contour on the hairline, so we're going to blend that in, because when we put all that highlight, it really takes away from the color that you have in your face naturally. I'm using this eyeshadow brush to just smooth out my contour on my nose. I'm not going in circular motions for this part, but I am making sure I start from that inner corner up there by your eyebrow and bringing it all the way down and blending it as much as I can, because you don't want that harsh line there and it's not blended well. So just take your time and blend this part with a light stroke. You don't want to blend it too hard because it's just going to make like a straight line. And I just kind of go to a point at the tip of my nose. The Maybe They Fit Me, the dark 40, I'm going to be using that for the places that I contoured here on the jawline and the round here. I'm going to be using a dark. And for the other places on my face, I think I'm going to go with this this Airspun, where the places that I highlighted, you're going to start there first. You can see that dark color. Yeah. So I'm not going to blend it out yet. I'm just really applying it with a light hand. And I'm just going to go all around the place. Go all around the hairline. If you need to add more to your brush. So I'm going to be using my beauty blender to apply the Airspun loose powder all over my face. And I'm going to start with the under eyes. Then I'm going to go down the bridge of the nose, the forehead, everywhere where you highlighted. Let's bring that down the nose again. And your chin. And your upper lip, where you highlighted. Contour brush. And I'm going to lightly brush the powder. Lightly blend the powder. Lightly bend it in. So all around, just gonna do like little circular motions. Small circular motions. Don't forget that jawline either. Bring that down. Let's bring that down on both sides. Just make sure you blend it really well. So this is actually a setting brush. I'm going to use this to dust all of the Airspun off of my face. About the bridge of that nose, blend that in, blend that in. I'm going to be applying some lashes, and I'm going to be using this INB eyelash glue. The lashes that I'm going to be using today is by Absolute New York. I did get this from my local beauty supply, NYX Dewy Finishing Spray. And I'm just going to use this to set my face. So I'm going to spray this all over my face. So when I use the dewy one, it's just the powder, it like makes the powder settle in, so it doesn't look so powdery, so it doesn't look so cakey and dry. I'm going to use this brown shade to outline my lips. So let's do that. So I'm going to be using this brown shade to outline the lips. While I outline it and I bring it down some as well. I'm going to block, but I'm not trying to really mix it too much to get the brown all over the lip. That's not what I'm trying to do. And I'm going to be adding this, like, everywhere else that I didn't add the brown. And when I do this, I like to bring it across the top as well. And then I'm going to blend my lips together. I'm not going to smudge them together. I'm going to blot my lips, which is like this. As you can see, it gives that ombre effect. That's the look that I was going for. So now I'm going to be going in with my NK lip gel. This is just a clear gel, inexpensive gel that you get from any beauty supply store. It's about $1. I really like this to put on top of my glosses, just to make it shine. Or if I'm using any type of matte product, matte lip product, I would put this on top. I'm going to add this on top. So that's the end of the video, and I hope you learned something from my highlight and contour makeup routine. And if you have any questions, leave it down below. I will be sure to answer your questions in the comments section. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.